how to use numeric keypad in Nextion and communication with Arduino Uno. Here I have defined the numeric keypad to a text display, and that keypad shows up that's locked. I don't have to edit it. Only I need is to read the values that I put on this keypad. So here you can see ID and object name, spray time, and spray status. Okay, now come to Arduino. Simple display of how to use Nextion library. I don't have to define it, only that buffer and that unsigned integer 16-bit that defines the length of data. So here is that's simply keypad that I've defined in loop, so it keeps reading the keypad values and keeps showing it to buffer. Okay, now let's run it. Debug. I didn't have turn on that Arduino. Wait a minute. Now put it on for simulation. Okay. Oops, it's not showing that COM port. Wait a second, I need to restart that simulator. Debug again. Now it shows up the port that I've inserted after. Okay, now it shows up the values that it keeps sending and reading data. Now I'm sending a value 70. Okay, it shows up to the variable where I've stored the value. Simple. Thank you for watching.